Hi, this is Teresa here at Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in Bradenton, Florida. Just took in this 2011 Mercedes. This is a E-Class. It's an E350. This is a loaded up vehicle, black in color, nice alloy wheels. It does have a backup camera. It has black leather interior. This is a diesel. It does have 3 positions for memory seat on driver and passenger. It has power mirrors, power seats, automatic headlights. It's got navigation, AM/FM satellite radio, CD player with 6 slots. It only has 76,975 miles on it. Beautiful wood grain steering wheel, wood grain center console, nice moonroof. And there's your black leather seats. Seating in the back for 3, so we've got a nice 5-passenger vehicle here. This does have the home link, heated seats, heated steering wheel. It is loaded. If you'd like more information, please call Teresa here at Firkins. You can reach me at 941-807-1165. This is a very nice vehicle and it won't last.